Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a technique using heat-resistant acetate. This one is from hot off the press, as well as alcohol inks. These are from Pinata, and I will list the colors below in the description. And I'm also going to use a basic straw. I begin by adding just colors randomly onto the acetate itself. I'm also going to be using some rubbing alcohol that I put in a spray bottle, as you can see there. And then I'm also going to use the straw to move the alcohol around. So basically the idea is the more you put in there, the more you can move around. They do sell certain tools that will do this, but this is kind of easy, low cost. So if you don't have any special tools, this is one way to go. And I do apologize for the lighting that's on the actual acetate itself. But I just keep going until I get to some pattern colors that I like. And I really like Pinata's gold. It really sticks out in this pattern that I created. Once I'm done with the pattern I like, I kind of let this dry for about a day or two so it's easier to handle. Once dry, I cut it out, and it's actually the other side of the sheet so that I can use that for stamping. And I do plan to stamp these butterflies with some gold and embossing ink. After embossing, I'm going to go ahead and die cut each one of the butterflies. And here they are. Some did not get embossed and some did. I think I had technical issues, but it still came out pretty decent. Next, I'm going to emboss this sheet of paper with a polka dot set here. And I'm not too concerned that the whole thing won't be embossed because I'm going to end up cutting that edge off. I've already pre-cut my brown paper, so I'm just going to add some adhesive so that I can add this to the base and then add the embossed piece on top of it. Next, I'm going to use a pattern paper and stamp my sentiment and then use its die cut that will cut that piece out. I'm going to use some foam tape to add to my little expression there and attach it to the bottom. And then for each butterfly, I'm just bending it slightly to give it a three-dimensional look, and I'm going to use glue dots to attach them to the card. I like arranging them before I attach them with glue to see if I like it or not. And now I'm just going to add a little dimensional elements here using a silver gel pen, and then I'm also going to use my glitter pen to make the word amazing pop out just a little bit. I decided that the area there was a little plain, so I took some sentiments from the same collection and stamped them with the Versamark and stuck them on with dimensional foam tape. And there is my finished card. Although the embossing didn't quite work out the way I planned, I'm hoping to try it once more and see how it comes out. But I like the way it came out. I like the little transparency of the butterflies, and I hope you like it too. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.